more leave me alone. My days and jump up and go pay one bill on the road and go link up Jajastar and sit now forward back up here. I'm there, so I go on easy. You see it? So I don't know how I forward in. You see it? Yo, team, you know what time I got my bed last night? I got my bed about 3 o'clock. You see it? I got my bed about 3 o'clock. I mean, I watch. Because I don't really watch show like that, you know. You see it from what they do stays and take up a Netflix and I watch. Kevin Hart, Central, not Kevin Hart. The Rock, Central Intelligence or some foolish. You see me, I say something up. Like The Rock, when him did I go high school and Kevin Hart did in it, yeah. You see me, I say, me did I watch that. You see it, some high school thing and The Rock some secret agent and them little thing there, some secret agent, you have some information and him sell out. And the movie catch me, brother. And me dead there, you know the sleeper box me in the night there, I stay so boom and me get up and go walk, me pause the movie and go all wash off, you know. You see it, and when me beard off again, you know, I stay so boom and go watch a movie because me I say alright then when me beard off, me no bother feel like me want to sleep. And I see so I watch a movie. Till go after 4, me drop asleep, and I get no much sleep or ass. So, who I say me sleepy, listen to me good. Sometimes I can't sleep on my bed, you know. You see it. Sometimes I can't sleep on my bed. You see it. Or I call my woman or I go over my woman yard. That is it. You see it. Power up your life there for me, please, and thanks team. If you can share up your life, we share up your life. If you can go ahead and repost your life, we repost your life, my team. Tell a friend, so we're there over here. So me I say, I go on normal out. So team, wanna depend on an idea, yeah. My ladies, you guys are at work or what? Huh? My ladies, you guys are at work or what? Work? 8:50 p.m. in UK. Work. Some ladies them they at work. Why? So me ask you a question. So all on Sunday on the day at work? Off today, boom pin the comment here. Pin the comment here. Keisha, may God bless your soul. May God bless your soul. My ladies, them in I chat. Me no know I want to them a work colleague. No, for true. More 5 days. But you no move like cars. Me there all 3 o'clock, you know. I'm say to them, say, what no I do? Me there all 3 o'clock, I'm say to them, say, what no I do? You know what them tell me, say? Work. 3 o'clock at night. I say 3 o'clock at night? Them say, yes, 3 o'clock at night. What kind of time when you get for yourself? What kind of time when you get for your slippers bust out? What kind of time when you get... Not me not feel like you don't have no money, you know. Because if I have a woman and she have to go to work 7 days a week, I go up her work for go look problem just for she left her work. Just for she get fired, go find a job that can make you work 5 days a week. At least a weekend, babes. Give me a weekend. At least a weekend, babes. No man, no, for real. Me I go up to your workplace go make problem. Fling all stone and them something. They act like me here in a war. You see, come up there and drop all upon the ground. Come in and tell you like, means I'm dramatic you. Me will come, and me know you, me will forward chat, and me know say, alright then. This a girl you overwork and me not get no time, you know, me come all of your workplace and come all of the front desk and say, can I come up here and up on the phone. I'll text all myself, save your number in my next phone and text all myself. Here's what I say. I'm going like a cheat for me just for you come down and come for the president. Call Mrs. Dixon, please. Call Mrs. Dixon, please. And then I'm going to say, what is the problem? They say, no, Mrs. Lee, because them time the Shabba married to, you know. Call Mrs. Lee. Call Mrs. Lee for me, please. Call Mrs. Lee. And then I say, what is it, young man? I say, call Mrs. Lee. Why? Why? And then I go call and say, hello, come and control your husband down here. And I'm going to drop a broom. If they don't want to call you, I'm going to drop myself a broom and kick up my foot. Hold on, I don't feel like a joke, man. I feel like a joke, man, because if you don't want to forward out, I drop myself a broom and drop all the phone and broom and they put, why? Why? So bored that I'm about to chum fraud. Like me, I catch fits. You're not ramp with me. And when you finally come downstairs, you know, I hold you buy all your clothes and everything. When you do me this fire, so when you talk about me, I drop on myself. They say, boy, take me up. Take me up all the security, them escort me. Me I hold up on the clothes and I tear off them in them ears. Why? And if they don't fire you for that, me make another setup, me make a next problem with you. Yes, when me I say, me come there and act like you thief something for me. And when you thief something for me, me vex. Me mad. Me can't contain myself. If you thief something for me, I cannot contain myself. Yes, what I say? All when you're not a thief, nothing for me. Yes, what I say? You have to lose the word. Because you don't want me go on one prime example. That I could dig up yourself, you know, bro. You guys want a prime example? Okay, you don't gotta tell me twice. You don't gotta tell me twice. A pleasant good afternoon. A pleasant good afternoon. You can call them Mrs. Lee for me, please. Them say, young man, what is it? Me say, good afternoon. You can call Mrs. Not even Mrs. Lee, no. Cause I'm the things them me want. Me want me things them. Whoa! Me want me things them go mash up. Me go mash up in here. Me want me things them. Why? Why? I'm gonna go so and flip. Me go so and fling all the big stone in a one glass down there. Cause I know me I go buy it back. I one day for no know what me will do. Forget about my woman. I have to spend time with my woman. No lies, that's what my ex do me. Yo, listen to me. Listen to me. Prove it one day. Boy, this a woman ya itch on for me, chat. There's nothing to prove. This a woman ya itch on for me. Love me unconditionally. So I can't prove that for she. You see what I'm saying? I can't prove that for she in a real life. So I'm gonna ask you a question. What the craziest thing you ever do to get back a nigga? In a real life, me ask you, what the craziest thing you ever do to get back a nigga? I want to call one person in my box and ask them. What the craziest thing you ever do in a life to get back a nigga? Me not doing that. Nothing. Humble cloth. Well, Andy. I'm my next phone. I soon come back to you now. You see that girl, yeah?
Bro!
What's up, bro?
How you been, dude? How you been?
I'm doing great.
You tryna run a battle?
Let's do it.
Let's run it, bro. You try to do best.
I hear what you say.
Alright, guys. They've got a strong...
Triple. Team. Me nah lie. You see that girlie? See that girlie we said that a while ago? Protect her at all costs. Use the triple at the chat. Protect her at all costs. But one thing me I go say to you, baby girl. Venice, thank you, you know. Go team, go upon the triple, go upon the triple, go upon the triple, go upon the triple. Go upon the triple, my team. Use the triple, use the triple, use the triple, team. Use that triple on my team. Use that triple, use that triple chat. Use that triple there. Use that triple there, my team. Use that triple, use that triple, use the triple. Yeah, protect her at all costs. Sure, thank you. But one thing me have to tell you. Thank you. What up your life, my team? I'm begging some roses. You're a good girl, you know, but boy. Team, we have a double coming up. Power tap live there. Power tap live there. We have a double forward now. Power tap live there. Power tap live there. Power tap live there, team. Power tap live there. Power tap live, my team. Power tap live. Power tap live there. Power tap live there, my team. 1-1 rules there. 1-1. Team, use a double, use a double, use a double, team. Use a double, use a double, team. Use a double. Use a double, use a double, ladies. Use a double, use a double, team. Use a double. Use a double, team. Use a double. Marshilla, thank you. Use a double, my team. Use a double, use a double, use a double, use a double, chat. Use a double, my team. Use a double, use a double, team. Use a double, my team. Use a double, use a double, use a double. Use up that double here, my team. Use up that double here. Use up that double here, my team. Use up that double here. Use up that double here, my team. Use up that double here. Use up that double here, my team. Use up that double here. Joan, thank you. Power tap live, my ladies. Power tap live. Share, thank you. Team, we can snipe that double here. We can snipe that double here, ladies. Grammar Zone, thank you. What a name. Team, we can snipe that double here, team. One baby keep the snipe your mouth in the chat. One baby keep the snipe your mouth, you know. Alright, good play, my team. Power tap live. Rosie, whole heap of love in a princess. Power tap live, my ladies. Power tap live, my team. Power tap live. We have gloves, gang. Gang, we have gloves.
W freaking Bex. Bex, thank you so much, bro.
Doing great, thank you. We have gloves, team.
Mine, what's good?
We have
everyone,
gloves.
guys, everyone keep tapping the screen if we can. Guys, we're almost at 100K likes, bro. We're almost at 100K likes. Bro, Bex, we were having a Rose War the other night, bro. People are not going to be happy you took their title, bro. But it's well-deserved, man. W freaking Bex. He just cooked.
Thank you.
Jess, thank you so much. W, Jess, Bex, Tolkien, Jenny, Whitney, Hero. Thank you guys so much. Let's freaking go, guys. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go.
Come my team. Can snipe you. Good try.
What up, Cody?
Good try, good try, good try, good try.
Watch the snipe, guys. Watch the snipe. Watch the snipe. Oh, shit. Dropping galaxies over there. Mola, thank you.
That's okay, princess. Okay.
Let's freaking go, guys. MVP Jess in the chat, bro. Everybody spam up W Jess in the chat. Holy no gloves. Jess, Bex, Tolkien, Jesse. Guys, everybody spam up W Jess in the freaking building. Jess, you were an absolute legend. Thank you so much, Jess. W Jess. Jess, thank you. Bex, thank you. Tolkien, Jesse. Thank you guys so much. Jenny, Whitney, Hero, V-Briggs, RJ. Thank you guys so freaking much. Yo, you try your best to the 3?
Okay, let's do it, bro.
Let's do it, bro. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Locked in, my ladies.
Let's go.
Alright, come in. First triple.
These are great battles to be doing, bro. They got 1,000 people in there, guys. We are cooking. We're trying to do the best we can. How did Jess not get a glove, guys? How did Bex not get a glove? How did Tolkien not get a glove? How did we not get gloves, bro? How do we not get gloves? Makes no sense to me. Makes no sense to me at all. I know, you should feel robbed. We need gloves. W. Bex, the child basketball prodigy. Even though he left, bro. Oh my goodness, Jess. Jess with the fireworks. Jess! What up, Cody? Jess, thank you so much. Jess, thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough. Tolkien with the gamer cat. Tolkien and Jess, thank you guys so much. It's a good thing that Jenny still has a glove, guys. It's a good thing that Jenny still has a glove. Jess, thank you so freaking much. What up, Lex? Jess and Tolkien, thank you guys. And that's Mola. And that's Mola. Guys, this is the teamwork we need, bro. This is the teamwork we need. Mola! Mysel Jackson's here, guys. Mysel freaking Jackson's here. Jess, thank you so much. Jess, Mola, and Tolkien, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. Nah, W teamwork, 100% Tolkien. 100%, bro. Jenny, thank you. I'm trying to crack my neck. Guys, we need to carry Leonard in here. Jesse, welcome back. We need to carry in here, guys. Jesse, welcome back. Alright, guys, we got speed. We got speed. Gloves are like a rarity right now, guys. Gloves are like a rarity right now. Gloves are a freaking rarity, so we just gotta use them wisely, guys. Let's see how many roses we need. Daniel, welcome back, bro. Let's see how many roses we're gonna need. 8. We got it, guys. We got it. We got it. Almost at 100K taps, by the way, guys. We 8 roses.
One rose.
Jesse, thank you. W Jess. Jetty. Jesse, thank you. Jetty, thank you.
Everybody we have bigger rose. Everybody we have
We need
bigger
6
rose.
more roses, guys. We smashed it out the park last time. Hero, thank you. Tolkien, thank you.
That is it.
Jess, thank you. We have 3 more roses from 3 different people, guys. Otherwise, we're not going to have speed. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, no, guys. We might be cooked. We might be cooked, guys. We might be cooked. Dude, how did we smash it like that last time, guys? We smashed it. Mola, thank you. We smashed it last time. Natalie, thank you.
Can win this team.
Dude, how do we smash it last time, guys? We can't even get speed this game, bro. Holy crap, bro.
Thank you.
Holy shit, dude.
Thank you. Go, my team. Go.
Holy shit, bro. Holy shit, guys. That is so cooked. That is so cooked, bro. We still did. I mean, we did a good job, bro. But that is so cooked, bro. We literally got it like. Natalie, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. W Natalie.
Thank you. Go.
Jenny, chop the boosters, guys. And the glove. All right, guys, just treat this like speed, bro. Treat this like speed. Gotta use our.
Go.
Almost. I agree, Tolkien. I agree, but we smashed it last game, bro. It just sucks how, like, oh my goodness, Jess, thank you so much. Jess with the fireworks. W Jess. Jesse. Jess and Jesse. Let's go, Jess and Jesse. Thank you guys so much. Jess and Jesse. Oh my goodness, Jesse. Jesse's off of ghost mode. Jesse's off of ghost mode. Jesse with the galaxies. W Jesse. And Jess with the fireworks. Oh my goodness. We just cooked. We just cooked. Okay, guys, remember, we have. That's Mola. That's freaking Mola. Natalie with the finger. W Natalie. W Natalie. Holy crap, guys. Okay. Guys, we did a great job to rebound there. Hopefully, we get a glove this game if we win, bro. Do not count out the snipe over there, guys. They have a strong team. Okay, wait, Jenny, how many boosters do you have? Everybody spam up W Jess in the chat. Jess, thank you so much. Jess, thank you so much. Jesse, thank you. Jess. Guys, look at our bubbles though still, bro. Our bubbles are still cooking. What's up, K-Star? K-Star, how are you? Wait, K-Star, do you have a glove? Jess, Jesse, Mola, Tolkien, Jenny, Natalie, thank you guys so much. Okay, guys. Jenny's gonna drop her boosters last 30. Wait for this. Watch and see. Just see if they snipe, bro. Natalie, thank you for the heart mate. W Natalie. See if they snipe, guys. Obviously, don't wait for the snipe. I don't know why I said that. Just play it by ear, guys. Play it by ear. K-Star with the rose. K-Star, thank you. Mola, thank you.
Thank you. Snipe here.
Hero with the balloon crown. W Hero in the chat. W Hero in the chat. Oh my goodness, guys. No way we didn't get a glove again, bro. Everyone spam up MVP Jess in the chat. W freaking Jess. Jesse got one. Jess, thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough. Everybody spam up W Jess. W Jesse. Jesse, thank you. Jess, thank you. Jesse and Jess, thank you guys so freaking much. Mola, Tolkien, Hero, Jenny, Natalie, K-Star, thank you guys so much. Holy crap, guys. GG's. Hey, GG's, bro. I appreciate the battles.
Okay, bless up, bro.
You as well, bro. Peace.
Yeah. Boy, team. Good game, ladies. Good game, ladies. What me did I talk about a while ago now, team? What me did I say a while ago? What me did I talk about? Remind me, yeah. What the worst thing? I mean, I want to not tell me like because someone know I move like on a app. Steal we make on a art and them thing there. I've done some crazy things to get back my female. Yes, what me I say, but only female that deserve it. So when I go tell myself I never deal with a man who deserve it yet. And that when I tell myself I never deal with a man who deserve that yet. I don't believe, you know. Not at all. The car buying. You buy one man one car if you get him back. Authentic. So what the craziest thing? What the craziest thing? My ladies, them now talk to me in a chat. I'ma try add one on in a box. You always leave. Invite you. The bless, what's poppin', mom?
What's popping?
My day, man, mumsy. I know you hear the question at hand, you know. What the craziest thing you ever do to get back on it?
Sorry, my other phone was ringing. Say that again.
What the craziest thing you ever do, mommy, to get back on nigga?
We never do nothing. No, I'm serious. My husband and I have been together since I was 16. Yes.
Mommy, right now, people are bad who want to talk to mommy. Right now, I'm
Okay.
good settings in the point. You see it, mommy? May God be with you and bless your soul, okay?
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
take care of the
Blessings.
place and holy love, mumsy.
Yeah.
Alright then. I'm gonna see what I'm going to say again. Right then. See what I'm going. My youth, I be a Christian over my side, you know. Be a Christian. Hey, mama nads, what's popping?
You know, so somehow my mind tell me, Akeam, so you go send me an invite.
Come and know you're not afraid for talk, you're a gangster. What the craziest thing you ever do forget, my nigga?
Akeam, and everything good to eat, good to talk, you know.
Boy,
Some things can put you in a problem,
just don't make it put you in a problem. Just say it in a...
some confession can get you in a problem, you know, Akeam, you never know that. Because people watch, everybody there on TikTok, you know.
Alright,
Everybody
give me
there on
crazy but
TikTok.
less crazy.
Eh?
Give me crazy but less crazy. Talk, we are not afraid of nobody. Don't afraid of...
No, you can't say anything. Alright. I'm going to say one of the craziest, because I can't say that. But I've
Yes.
done crazier. Pretend say somebody analyze me. And make somebody call.
Minute here.
And the person came running. You don't hear me?
No.
Pretend say somebody analyze me. And make somebody make a call. Akeam, me do crazy stuff, but everything me can talk on live because say people are watch. Yeah.
Why, mommy?
And everything good to eat, good for talk, Papa. But I have to keep some food to yourself.
No, I could have different pie, you know.
0296. Natalie number
No,
when she
I
give
could
me
have
big
different pie, you know.
Someone say who this? 0296. Natalie number when she give me big call. Oh my God, someone say them gyal are wicked, them wicked, them wicked. Them gyal are wicked, them wicked, them wicked. I don't know how them so wicked, why them so wicked, but I know say them gyal are wicked.
That was when I was young, though.
Christ!
When I was young, I
This
fear
is a
bad man,
wicked-
so.
Yeah. Nuts, me give a stripe for your shoulder for that one day. You're licking chip.
Yes, for about a week.
The man think you drop out for you?
Well, he has passed on now, but in the things I'm drop out for real. And him start to confess and him wish me never did pass on and ray, and blah, blah, blah. Well, you see, when you're young and you're dead gangster, you have to think like a gangster. Always remember that.
That is it, my madam.
But I'm a good girl now.
Yo,
None of them things.
me not bring up my people in the box for good, no idea, you know. Me just
Exactly, because that can be dangerous.
Cause me I tell you no, I go to same platforms, Madicon, me see all tickers use all one of them style, yeah, for, hey, big up yourself, yeah, nods my auntie, whole heap of love.
Enough respect, my son.
Right then, me see who again. Marianne. Me see what Marianne I say. Why?
Akeam, let me tell you about my craziest time. When I the man birthday, I buy him one bedded, right? I buy the bedded, the man start pop style. So I have to jump in fence one night. Then I know what I do.
Hold on, let me think so, cause me no, make sure I know what me think, you know.
Yeah. One day the man birthday, Akeem, I buy him something nice for him birthday. And when I buy it for him birthday, I'm happy with it and everything. Then the man get kakati Akeem. Me have to take by the bed, you know. I have to drop the fence, I take by the
What you do the bedding?
eh?
If you ever tell me you want next month for him birthday, I'm like, about that stick.
No. No, Akeem, because I say the man birthday. And I say, all right, may I treat him to something nice.
Yeah.
And the man never have no bedded in Akeem, because I say, all right, a good youth. By I find the bedded, him get kakati Akeem, I have to take it back. Don't be fence and take it back, Akeem.
You're in it. You're in it.
When she give me the God, oh my God, it's someone I said, them wicked, them wicked, them yellow wicked, them wicked, them wicked. I know, say them
Akeem is not wicked.
wicked, them wicked.
So Miriam, so when the man come in the house and you see bedded, you know why you take it back?
Him call me. I said, come me cut one key, because to me and him used to that the house, him give me one key and say, go and use it. But when I see the man start hide me and I go around the bushes, me have to take by the bedded. My running need cheese, that cheese. Now with you, Akeem, if I take by the bedded with you.
Boy, Marianne.
Wicked girl error.
That's where you go. That's where you go. That's where
Yeah.
you go, Marianne.
How long after me send it back go game?
Same take it back?
Yeah. Then him never have none Akeem, so never take it back. But as me have to tell him, say, hello, you can't burn the bridges. You have
Yeah, that's true, man. I don't lie. But
Yes.
Marianne, Jesus Christ.
Pick up yourself, my boss.
That is it, Marianne. As a wicked girl era right now.
Wicked girl error.
So no, alright.
Alright.
See what I'm going in that box here. Jesus Christ. Let me see. Oh. Let me see. I will leave a wicked woman in that chat. Let me see who wicked in my chat. Or who me think that wicked. Tushy look wicked. Tushy, come here. Tushy, come here. Double T look wicked too, you know.
And we'll have to involunteer.
Oh no.
If you don't mind checking the period.
Ping wife, what's popping? Ping wife, you can't talk. Listen up, ping wife. Because me no want ping vex.
I think you put me up by mistake.
Alright then, big up yourself, mommy. You're love, love,
Getting
love.
ready to come to see you guys.
Alright, big up yourself. Well, and there. Jesus Christ, accepting, not accepting. Boy, some of them people when I don't know, I can't add them. I don't want to know coming in my box and saying anything outrageous. Her for Christian. Exogen look wicked. Exogen look wicked, chat. Exogen no answer. But what happy life, my team? Me are some of them people I know. You see it? Exogen no answer. Jesus Christ. Me say who look wicked. Who come up in our box, chat? Who come up in our box? What's the topic? What the wickedest thing you ever do to get back a man? Or the wickedest thing you ever do to a man? Marvelous. Well on there. But double T look wicked too. Always God on time. Boy, God on time. Please.
Oh my God, Akeem, if you want to know what Umi, me never want to know what Umi is. Oh God. Alright. This time when we were younger, I live a country, alright? And honestly, he alive and him well. Just put that out. Him good. Him and him can say hi, you know, we're not so bad. But to find out I'm first love, to find out say if I give me about maybe young one and I'm like 16. We always go river go wash. And one day in go down a river go bathe. And I just, you know, kinda hide and go down there and rub courage in his drawers. He never knows say I'm still, he still don't know say I'm me. You understand? But I did do it. In crutch for days, boss. I feel good, you fuck.
Jesus.
Yes, and that with the boy a country in road. With all the girl, when I give on with a somebody when me know to, you know, move good with me, you know, say I every day. I set her up nice, you see. She and him down there crutch for hours.
So she set up.
Then draws, then in a water, I swim and put down then clothes. I rub in the courage. I never rub courage so in my life. Girl, nice man. After that, me and him nice man. He never knows somebody ever do nothing, you know? He just nice when we see you. I be a smile. If I want, you know, you never know. Yeah. That's how we do girl and boy. And alright.
Wicked girl error.
Wicked
Do
girl error.
not try these things with these nowadays, man. Okay, ladies?
Exactly.
There are 2 penalty in these cases, alright? So we're just talking and getting some things off our chest. Pick up yourself always, God on time.
Big up yourself, Akeem.
Oh, my people are real something else. I'm gonna say what I'm going over here, son. No. Alright, let me hear what Bambi I say. A long time Bambi send a request. Bam bam. A pleasant good day, Bam Bam.
Hi, Akeam.
Hey, what's up?
I'm
Talk to me,
good.
Bam Bam.
What the craziest thing we
Yeah.
ever do? Farm sick.
Farm sick.
Yeah.
To get a piece of dog.
Oh, me never get it. Pardon me?
Me I say, farm sick for get a money from him, or farm sick for him staying at the house with you.
Well, farm sick for you stay in a house.
A regular day that man bam bam. A natural wicked. You're the rich in a wicked girl, right? A regular day. Whoa, chosen one. Chosen one, a wicked. Bam bam. Holy pal of princess and big up yourself, yeah? You're not reaching a wicked girl era yet. You're still good girl. If that a wickedest thing you do, you do man.
Yeah, me think I'll
I
get
made
it.
the best man find you, cause you're one good woman.
All right.
Alright then, my sister. Big
Love
up.
yourself.
Alright then, mama had chosen one. Jesus Christ, chosen one a wicked. Me know that pint blank. Dana Marie, wicked man, wicked. Same guess. Come here.
Yeah, son.
Talk to it.
You know my wicked one? My daughter father. Him have him woman out the road, you know. A man come in a war with me in my room. And you know me do a key, me just jump off from my bed and go in my bathroom. Me have one bottle of acid in there. But the acid them America, them not strong. Them not strong like the one in my Jamaica. When I open that and dash for them. Him have on a sweatsuit. And when I dash it upon him running at the kitchen, turn on the pipe and just a splash of water upon him so. And me have burger on the carpet, Akeam, and the whole of the carpet burn out. I swear for my 4 kids them life.
So you touch him?
It catch him, but it not strong for burn him. But it burn out the carpet. Yeah, my daughter father, yeah.
Mommy.
Jesus Christ.
And not even that alone. One day my daddy, you know, Akeam. And yeah, my kids them room there at the front part. And I see when him drive up the car and pull up. And I run going to my room. In the closet. And in the closet there was half hour. And the man lie down on him bed and chat me with him woman Akeam. And I hear everything. I hear everything when I talk about myself. And when I pop out of the closet, him run through the back door. And when him run through the back door, him out there and then him push him, after him go through him, I lock the door in Akeam, him put him on through the window. I'll try to open the door for come back in. I just take the knife and bust him on there. So right now him have the mark on him and see him where.
You know, serving blood clot, right? You never wicked for that. You're not shot. Your woman, your good woman with your side, yeah.
Yeah. You
Serve
understand
him
what I
right.
say, Akeam?
Serve him right, my mother. I don't wrong.
Yeah, man, I
Serve
bust
him
him
right.
on Akeam, man.
Serve him right.
And
I
so
know
now
when you bust out the closet and him run.
may I tell you, if the bed could have sucked me in Akeem, may I tell him would have sucked into the bed when we bust out of the closet for them.
You know what the wickedest thing that you might know? You
So.
chat your woman brush in the right in the closet and listen to everything.
May I tell you, a boy when me lock up already, Akeem, and him call me the whole night. Call me the whole night for me to come down the compressed charge on a 161st. I see the morning when the DA called me, I'm go down there. and the DA see the blood shot in my eye, you know, cause the boy lick me down him eye with him, with him thing, him tool.
Yeah.
And my eye blood shed in Akeam. And I'm going there, I talk to the district attorney, and I just tell him, I'm not lock him up. I'm not charge, I drop the charge. I'm not lock him up. By me reach one back, him and him we come up, and him come in to stop calling my phone. Thank you, Donna, please, thank you. I never lock him up in Akeam, because I know somebody where I can man over.
John Star.
Understand me? I say, so
Yeah,
am I
woman
with
see him with a moment because boy, I rarely I go press out one woman, you know, and she go turn up back for you, you know.
yeah, but
Rarely I
this,
go press out a woman and she go stand up back for you, me I tell you.
but they say if I did time like now, we couldn't drop it because the state I go pick it up. But you know them long time they so for you dash it out, them go just
Yeah,
dash
or
it
them
out.
just
You
low
understand
it
what I'm saying? Yeah, them just low it alone. But hey, am I a wicked girl error that? You understand me? I
Big up
say?
yourself, you know, my mother. Holy
All
love, you know.
right.
That is it, Moonsy. What? On the earphone yourself. So, I can't tell you no. Hey, I can tell you no something. You see, relationship is a thing, you know. You know what we always get the best away in a relationship. with ego. We always make with ego get the best of it, bro. In a real life. And then is a thing where we can't for something there. We can't make way. How would I say when certain things play up our emotion, bro. When certain things play up our emotion, we do crazy things. And you know when we calm down, we regret everything what we do and everything what we say. It's crazy, brother, in a real life. We regret everything what we do and everything what we say, brother. God boss me, bro. So you see more while charge you know have to, you see before you do certain things, bro. Sometimes certain things happen in and you act out of ignorance, you know, have instant regrets in a man youth. You just act out of ignorance, you have instant regrets, you know, bro. I tell you, you know. I can tell you something, you take one step for analyze somebody. Here's what I say, or one bad blow for analyze somebody. We have to be careful how we make certain things play upon we emotion. You feel like say enough of the time then when you hear man or woman a fight or one of them get unalive, you feel like they mean to do it? But we just play upon we emotion. More while someone come in, bro, just makes you just don't fuck your girl, you love your girl unconditionally, like what? Everything, you love her so much. You see what I say? You love this girl so much unconditionally, brother. You see what I say? And then you come in and you work so hard to make this a girl, you're alright. And then when you come in at the house, you come see another man and stab out her belly. You don't have no other choice, my youth. You don't have no other choice, bro. No other else choice. I can tell you that from now. You don't have no other else choice than for just zero a game, and then when you come in and zero a game, bro, and then you put yourself in a problem, and you end up with the shit in a stick, brother. So yes, when we make with ignorance you get the best of one while, bro, it never work out. If me would have walk away, funny enough, I don't know. I'll be honest with you. If me for coming at my house, I'm a think about that. So we are talking at the scenario, say at my house. Okay, hypothetically. So if me for coming at my house, come see my woman and give me a bone. If me would walk away. I don't know. I can't swear upon that. I'm not telling a lie. I don't know. And let me tell you now why I don't know. You see, sometimes the way I care for people, and sometimes the way I put people for yourself, you know. Me will make me emotion play for me. Me will make my emotion get the best of me, bro. And I do crazy stuff. You see what I say? And then it's a thing sometimes I know I can control me. I learn to control my emotion. I master how to control my emotion. I don't know if I want to use the word master, but I have 80% of control over what I do. So I try my best to make the 20% overrule me, bro. You see what I say? I try my best to make it 20% overrule me, bro. It's a thing in a life where, bro, I don't know, dog. I don't know. It's like, and that's why I try my best to get myself in a problem and them thing there. Remember all heap of people try bring me down, you know, tell a bag of lie for me, build story for me. You see it? Some people say they know me when they even know me. Yes, when me I say, me don't know where them know me from. Me even know them. You see? And them build all kind of story because what? Me a win and me dep on top. You see what me I say? And it's a thing where it's just, yo, boy. Yo, life is a thing where you have to just appreciate, say, have it. Appreciate, say, alright, you know the best thing right now? I can show you the best thing about me. I can get a visa for go anywhere. I can go fly go anywhere. I don't have a visa for go anywhere, no, but I just say I can get a visa. I don't have a charge or a certain thing for me. I don't have a jail. I don't have an ongoing case and them little thing there, bro. You see it? I don't no problem with no bad man. I don't no problem with no police, my youth. So it's a thing where the lucky thing about me, I make wise decision from me young, bro. And it reflect back on my life, bro, up to today, bro. Because you say if me did do some little stupid things back then, bro, to the end up catch up on me up to today, brother. Yes, when I say, me make a wise decision when me young. When I make the best decision then, bro. But anything I do, I try to be careful in a way I do charge it. Yes, when I say, and you see, for the fact, say, at one time I never used to stay so, you know, bro, like, you see all of them, like, smile every minute, me I laugh, and I put a smile on my face, and fuck that, me never used to do that, because I just pray, say, everybody a pray me, and the world, this and that, and then, it's like, I come here, some of you out, and I see what people open up themselves, and show them, we get genuine love, and people show with genuine love, and it's like, me just consume up it and stop make it bother me, dog. I just consume up it and make it stop bother me, bro. Cause you see in a life more while, you have to push for where you want, you know, dog. That's what me I say. And then if hate not come in a certain thing, if people not try build story upon you upon certain thing, if they not try draw you down in a certain thing, feed them thing now go show out like how it for show out. Yes, when me I say them always have to aim for the person, the riper fruit. As what Ezekiel says, them never stone an empty mango fruit. How long me dey on TikTok? Me not dey about 2 years now, me I do TikTok and a 1 year now, my boss so big with rose. Yes, when me I say, next month make 1 more year. Me been there from even the Naya situation. I was like up there with the Naya situation because everybody did a talk about it. Yes, when me I say, you never hear none of them. That was one of the most talk about things on TikTok. I will never hear nobody come in a box and I said this and I said that, and you never hear nobody come and talk this, or you never hear you know when everything start talk now, when my boss in a positive way, bro. Nobody never had a build no store for me them the time they and anything there. But you see the day when I stay and get up, you know, charge it and start make something of myself, start make money too. And yes, when me I say the things start working in a positive way, here come all of the fucking negative. I was here all along. Me did I do all live all along, and if you never see me, I know you see me in that the situation there, bro. If you never see me, I know you see me in that the situation there, bro. And most you never try build nothing or try tear me down, bro. Most of all, you know they try tear me down with that one or tell lies, say, yo, me do the man something when you know sure say, me not do the man nothing. You see it, and me not have nothing to do with them man the thing, bro. You see it? But, you see, because when you see say it was a thing where I bring me down and it now make me no money, you never come talk on it. You never come talk on it, bro. And you never chat up on the mouth and I say this and say that. But as soon as the things flip and be positive, brother, and we there so I try something for yourself, same way, bro, and I show love same way. It's all stories now. Boy, all me have to say, people. Boy, all me have to say. Me is a man where is a thing where me build for fight, bro. That's what I say. And then if me never know if absorb every blow when me get, bro, I would have day out here and I flip out and I go on the most way. But I can't do them thing, the dog. That is not my purpose, bro. You see what I say? Me have a call in my youth. Me no watch people, bro. Me watch myself. Me no meet people, bro. Me meet myself, bro. You see what I say? I mean meet myself as in any negative way and any positive way, bro. My mates how me can fix myself. My mates how me can go about things in a better way. It seems like me getting into a relationship. You say if my sister me go in another relationship, yeah, and this a girl that make me a cuss and because we are cuss make we left, me not talk about. Me not going at the nether relationship with no cuss. If me going at the nether relationship and cheating is the problem, me not going at the nether one for no cheating. So that more and if me going at one nether one, I shouldn't like when me drink or smoke, I just say drink or go party right through. Me not going at my next relationship and go party right through. So each time I grow and get mature, I learn the pros and the cons, bro. Yes, what I say, sometimes we live and we learn. So more I grow up, bro, I'm mature in my mind, dog. So I just kind of learn how people is, bro, how people stay, what the aim of people, bro, and all of them something they charge it. You see it? And then sometimes I'm glad I put my hand in the lion mouth itself and feel the bite, so I can get a first-hand experience of what it is, bro. So if me get my youth and I grow my youth, I can teach him and say, yo, bro, this is the way of life, you know, bro. Because all of this what we go through, them never teach it in a school. All of this what me I go through, them never teach it in a school. But me still get up every day, me lift up my chin, pull up my socks, and I just go some boom and know say, alright then, bro, me try get this shit done. Because nobody not get up and do it for your brother. Yes, when me I say, you have to get up and own this bread yourself. You have to get up and do what you have to do yourself, bro. No, for we have rich family, or rich mother and father, before them rich, you know the first thing them say, them want to get rich so it can easier for them picnic them. No, for we mother and father have it, bro, we are suffer like dark as soon as we turn 18. All of the local shine and glory done. Because them tell you say, yo, them we have to go through the dirt like how them go through the dirt feet. So not even your mother and father obligated to you. You see what I say? So when you see over here, we have little people, we help you out, bro. I always tell people, you feel like your family, them help you. A stranger come in your life, come build and help you, bro. You see what I say? Stranger come in your life. So more while when them see we over here and them feel like say the blessing too abundant. I not too abundant, bro. We learn the way of life, brother. Yes, what I say, bro, I will know how to clean up our heart and deal with people the right and proper way, brother. Yes, what I say, and then the blessing come after. Before all of them blessing, I did have to learn how to clean up my heart. Because I be a bad mind, I did there when I nearly catch a disease. Yes, what I say, I have to stay so boom and catch back myself and brush off again. You see, because I couldn't bad mind already have people for them things, bro. I did have to get up and get me one. You see, you know how it feel good. So I can do certain things, bro, in a life. I'm not have to question it or think about it. Nothing else but the blessing of God, brother. You see me I say, I will never stop giving God the glory because I never man. You see it? God put the power on our bro. And the work ethic in our and them things they are instill knowledge in our. So we can go there and get a bread, bro. And we can there and hold a vibe and stay so boom and come support me same way. Me appreciate you, bro. But we have to give the most high praise, bro, because without him we are nothing, my friend. More while me there, bro, before all of this I wonder which way me I go turn, bro. But me never lose faith, dog. Me never lose faith, charge. I wonder which way me I go turn. And the man just put me in a some way where I'm like, shit. When me in a whole situation, bro, when I couldn't access no money and none of them things, then I think did kind of slow. Me I wonder where me I go turn, bro, because that's why me I say, bro, you can't bash a man with woman help neither, you know, bro, because watch a style. Woman help me too, you know, brother. Me nah lie, me reach in a position where woman help me and me get back up on my foot. But I never depend on a woman to take care of me. Me get a helping hand from females, bro. Me nah lie. Cause you see when you have the right female, them push you. You see it, and we are man sometimes, we up sometimes, we down, and every day a Christmas for we. Sometimes our female, them smart, and the same money where we give them take it and save it and flick it back, but them can give you 1 billion. That's why you know, every girl wanna go there with my youth. Wanna there with some girl with their head on them body, bro. Can we there with some girl and wanna give her $1 million in a space a 6 month, bro, and she just blow it up like nothing, bro, with another girl just use the $1 million there and turn it and come down come give $2 million in a space of 1 day, and you take 6 months to get that $1 million. Then a ramp put up woman mind, the power of a woman is crazy, and that's why I not try violate no female over here, bro. I swear to you, me never try violate no female over here, bro. I can tell you no that charge it. Cause bro, a woman mind and them thinking, bro, that's why I'm showing you something, bro. When I realize that anything when you get a woman, she make wonders of it. You carry her in your house, she make it one home, bro. She keep your house, she cook in there, she clean it, she take care right and do the normal maintenance of the house. She have your kids, them and all of them things, they say you can come home and everything good. And so you can comfortable. You notice when you provide a girl with security and reassure a girl, say yo, she are the one, and them little thing there, oh, she make you feel good all the time. Anything you give her, it she give back, bro. And she multiply it. Anything she give, you give her something, she multiply. That's the purpose of a woman, bro. But I know every woman have that. Me I say enslave the mind in a for capture with them I say, bro. So that's why sometimes we believe everything we see in a social media, bro. Or everything we go see on a website. Yes, what me I say? Cause it mean for ensnare, for capture, for captivate. That web mean. The main meaning in it, bro. You see, so some of the girl them stay so boom and them give in to all of them materialistic things here, where them are see in front of them eye. And all of them things there, and in at the end of the day, them end up and realize say, yo, all of them materialistic things there. Big brother, what one? Boy, good luck, call me. I just told me the day one. Remember me that show some never there both for the weekend.
Yeah, brother.
My day, man, my bro, me see that show me, no bro, but me for call you back, a slip me, no, my dog.
Cha. Yeah.
So your boss looks so rich, I pray.
There you go and hold it, man. It's a whole of vibe, that's it.
That is it, man, my bro, man. My day is going easy, man.
You know what? When I last night, me and few of the people my reason. So I saw my few people them.
Yeah.
Yeah, and them I say, yo, they plan a match with me. So then come.
Anytime you're ready, man, bro, man.
So them I say, yo, yeah, we do it in this month I put month done. But them I say you have to set the date. I make them set the white name, the poster.
Alright then, my bro. Not a problem. So where you been up to, my father?
I them there, so I go and play 2 games, look and support here around here.
That is it, man, bro, man. My there, so bro, I go and chat to my people, man, I reason with them and I show them some energy, you know. I saw me always over here talk to my female, them, you know, and talk to me and them ever over here, just a whole a little energy.
I see where you come, man.
Alright then, my bro. So, why pray? Me so far for run too much with you, my brother.
Alright. No say I ready then. When you're ready, then link me. Me there.
Alright, my bro. Love alone, you know. People who don't follow Ezekiel page as yet, I want help out Ezekiel and send him on $10 or $20. This is Ezekiel team. What do you am going to give me a strength? This is a real J where the dog received 33 shots, still living, and him have no food. So you know, say the thing kind of hard for your dog. See me. Say if you can go over the team, Go ask him for him PayPal, send him $120 or $130, anything. God will bless you and bless you local soul. You see what I say? That is it, my ladies.
Man. What if I love?
Give the dog a follow, my ladies. If you can click him live and give him a follow, give him a follow, yeah?
True. Respect, guys. Respect everybody. I give me a follow. Everyone to follow me, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah, bro. Everybody, if you can give him a follow, man. I want strong hombre, man. May God bless him soul, man. Ezekiel.
Yeah, my brother.
Love and love alone, you know, bro. Big up yourself, you know.
Nothing more than love, brother.
Leave the door alone.
That is it.
There, man. I go and hold it. Me there, I go and see what I go on. You see me?
Alright, my bro.
Alright, brother. Respect.
Yeah, my team. So, when me did I say to you, say, you know, me I say, yo, I saw life go man more, man. Sometimes the girl them make certain thing and peer pressure corrupt them mind. You see what I say? Yeah, bro. And sometimes you can't even blame the woman them for stay so cause look on Dana Maria, man. Dana Maria me G, you know, I know Dana Maria, and I know say, yo, Dana Maria of our people, them should treat them good. And she dollar treat you good, you know, bro. And you're in the woman house. I chat the woman with your next girl. How disrespect that could have been now. And then when woman react, pound, someone say, yo, the girl them wicked and them something really, you know, bro. Are we wicked, you know? No wicked, you know, but we wicked for true, you know. Boy, sometimes I saw life go, yeah, man. Team, I'm kind of feel jealous. I take 1 5 and forward back on it. I'm tired, man. I'm tired, man. I got circle on back.
Christmas beg you one wheel. Beg you one wheel, sexy Christine. All at once. True, like
Finding
TV,
a
I
partner
can't
who shares your interests can be hard.
a wicked
As a single
boy.
everyone, maybe you've tried to meet someone at work,
Loving me.
park, or on mainstream social platform. There is another way. Scan the QR code and try this platform. Over 100,000 people have already found lasting connections on this site.
Try me a look
Find
for
someone who
Galaxy.
gets your passion. You may chat with thousands of nice people globally. It's safe and secure-oriented and free to join. Don't waste time. Scan the QR code. For people in 2026, this platform is a good choice. It's a dating platform that allows you to start conversations with new people instantly. It's simple, easy to use, and makes online connections fun while helping you build long-term relationships, whether it's friendship or romance. So why not to come to this site? Scan the QR code and join.
Try me, I look too Galaxy. Thank you.
Text me. Knowing me and you got that mental telepathy, meet me up at the spot, I'll be sending over the chauffeur. Rich different words, they popping up like a toaster. Nobody come close to me and you make it through any weather except when I make it storm. Sex in the greatest form, then hibernate under my body. Yeah, I keep it warm and in a chinchilla. You know I beat it up like a thriller, killer. Flying my private jet to villas and egg villa. Then throw you on the grill, that's cause 7 days a week. You're my 5-course meal for free.
In time them come here, so we had it with them. Try me, I look too donut. I look too donut.
What up, bro? What up?
I look 30 donut.
Oh, hey. I've been thinking about this guy.
We are trying our top 20.
Everything that he's been through, I just want him to trust me. He should. I'll never hurt him. But what? You know, love. If he loves you, he needs to show you that he loves you. I just feel like let me be the one who can take you from all the things you see. And if you trust in me, I can be that for anything you need. Anything you need. Give it all to me, baby. Don't you run from me, baby.
Try to come out some donuts.
Don't leave out a thing, 'cause I know you see. things in your life got you feeling like this can't be right. I won't hurt you. I'm down for you, baby. I know you've seen a lot of things in your life got you feeling like this can't be right. I won't hurt you. I'm down for you, baby. I'm down for you, baby. Show you love can be easy. You just let it be. Nothing is promised, but I believe it. You give me everything.
Trust.
And I give you everything that I got. And I won't stop till you get it right. All the trust and all the love. Know we got it all, baby. I know I've seen a lot of things in your life. Like this can't be right. I won't hurt you. I'm down for you, baby. Down, 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 down. Things in your life. Like this can't be right. I won't hurt you. I'm down for you, baby. I trust you. I love you. I know that I need you. I breathe you. Never leave you. Like you wouldn't say without you. I trust you. And I love you. And I want you. And I need you. Baby, I breathe you. Never leave you. Like wouldn't be the same without you.
Chop that look too donut. That try got 20.
Guess it's true, I'm not good at a one-night stand. But I still need love, cause I'm just a man. These nights never seem to go to plan. I don't want you to leave, will you hold my hand? Oh, won't you stay with me? Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, it's clear to see. But darling, stay with me.
Why am I so emotional?
Why am I so emotional? No, it's not a good look, but I'm self-control. Deep down I know this never works, but you lay with me so it doesn't hurt. Oh, won't you stay with me? Cause you're all But darling, stay with me. Won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, it's clear to see. But darling, stay with me. Oh, won't you?
Mechanic, Ziggy the Chemical here to tell you that LIG Master Mechanic competition is back and better than ever. Last season was full of vibes, skill, teamwork, and dedication. This year is going to be a different setting for you to prove yourself, that you can become the next elite master mechanic in Jamaica. Enter now for your chance to win a scan tool, 200. Please, open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! It's not what you think! It's not what you think! Open the door!
When we were together, I held you down. Look at them, both just showing out. I gave you all of me.
Need my lady a minute, please.
Look at us now, thinking of all your excuses, but they don't matter. Now it's so easy to see you don't deserve my love. You pushed me by, you brought me to that.
Taylor didn't call me back last night after I paid you.
You have my heart.
He really loves you. You know this.
But then you blew away. And I'm so over you. Don't get lost. Boy, who do you think that you are? Trust and believe me. Don't call and need me. Trust and believe me. She'll never be. So foolish with my best friend, and she ain't no better than you. She's a 3, I'm a 10.
What if we get caught?
So why are you calling my phone?
I don't know.
This is my best friend.
Nothing I want.
Can you stop this?
But we were really in
I
love.
want to.
That was all up front. You pushed me far. You brought me to it.
And he's acting funny every time I ask him where he's been.
That doesn't mean he's cheating. I mean, he could be busy. But then you blew it.
You better be. Because if he ain't, guess what? Him and that bitch will be secure.
Boy, who do you think that you are? Trust and believe me. Don't call and need me. Trust and believe me. She'll never be me.
You getting late tonight? Baby, Tanya, what the hell is going on?
Who the hell are you talking to, yo?
Rosalie, I know yesterday this bumbo clock Rosalie, man. Rosalie! Hey, big girl, Rosalie. Hey, Rosalie, warm girl. Not going bunny up. Come like you fall off to blue.
Wow.
My God. Yeah, me say me team hot your fuck. Be a smoke over here.
Move.
Me hot. Me say Rosalie from you call me name to blood club. Me don't know me hot. Me can't, about 5,000 people from morning for me life. Me say, Bumbo can just come on.
Start. It's 200 people over there.
Rosalie, me feel say I'm monitoring spirit to the Rosalie. Me feel that I watch for life. Me feel that I see what, you just talking, so what telling them in there? MSK, team hot, why pray? Yo, me say me hot in the Rosalie, come on. You want to start how much you want to go up?
300 people over the church of 85.